subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has silently launched its new affordable smartphone under C series in India called Realme C25s, and it is slightly an upgraded version of the earlier launched Realme C25 smartphone with similar design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C25s features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a tall 88.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme C25s supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 13MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone features ultra macro mode, super nightscape and more. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The smartphone houses a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 75.9 by 9.6mm, and it weighs around 209 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C25s has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in watery blue and watery grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C25s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.